package is a folder, or you can say that is a structure of Java classes, right? So for example, I'm just going with the Eclipse, and in this Eclipse, we'll have n number of packages. So for example, and how we can create a package ideally created by that com.java.test package, test pack. Now that will going to create three folder. First is with the name com. Inside com, you will find another folder with .java, Java ideally, and inside Java, you will find another folder test pack. Now there I'll create a class user. That's it. Okay. Now if user want to create any method, or user want to call any inbuilt class from external package. So what user need to do? User need to import that package. Scanner control space. Now, scanner is a class, okay, that exists in a package java.util. So you can see that is going with the import keyword, and import is going to import the respective package. Now what we can do, we can create our own package as well. So how to create our own package? So we already created this folder. Now we have this thing. Okay. And for example, in this, I'm just going to create my own method, that is public void add or max, find max. And there I'll just go with a parameter that is integer a. Okay. Now I'm going to use a math class, math dot. We have anything max. See, there you can see we'll have max, yes, but max needs two parameter. So I'm just going to provide two parameter there, integer a comma integer b. Okay, and then I'll just go with a comma b. But hold on, before that, we need to check what is the return type of this max. I'll just open this. And one second, the return type of max is integer. This is a static method. So what we can do, I can change this to integer. Okay, and let me return this. Now this is my method, user. User have a method find max. Now I want to import this to somewhere. So what I'll do, I'll just create any external class that is call pack. And this will be called package user. Click on finish. Okay. Now there I'll just go with the main. And now I want to perform, like I want to find the maximum between any two numbers. So I had created a user class that is inside this package. So what I'll do, I'll just go with a user control space user. Now you can see that class is showing user with this package com.java.test pack. Control space equals to new control space. Now object is created. Okay. Now you can see this import keyword is used to import anything. Now we'll have some restrictions based on that. What are those restrictions? That these all the like classes of this package must be public. Like we cannot go with any private section. Now let me perform a calculation on that. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just take uh prompt msss out, enter two numbers. Now just see how we can minimize the code. And let me simply print sys out user dot find max. I'll have this. It is asking for two integer. Scanner dot next. Oh, second. Scanner, we had not created the object of a scanner. Let me create object scanner. Second, equals to new scanner, and then I'll just go with system dot set. We maximize this. All right. Now there I'll just define scanner dot next int. This is first integer. Scanner dot next int. This is second integer. Now looks good. We are getting any error. one bracket, two bracket. Then it is showing some error. Ideally, there is. Oh, now I'm just going to run this code. Now it is asking to number 12 and 13, and we are getting 13 as an output. Right click, run as Java application 3422, and we are getting 34 as an output. So see, this approach ideally we can use for the input, but see what ideally uh, you people can do. We'll have x comma y, for example, to simplify the code. I'll just go with x equals to scanner dot nextend and y equals to scanner dot nextend. Now these are the two variable. I can replace them with x and y. With x plus, let me run the same. See, flow remains the same. 32, 55, we got 55, right? And then let me run this again. 66, 23, we got 66. Okay, so ideally, see, user is my class, which I had created. There I'll have a method that this method. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just go with addition, for example. Let me copy this method and let me perform to add. Okay, and that will going to return a plus b, semicolon. Okay, now I'll go to my class and there, let me press some enter. After that, I'm just going to print this out user dot to add. Okay, again it can go with x and y. Now we got the output. Okay, there I'll just go with the number 2 and 3. So maximum is 3 and sum is 5. Okay, which we are getting. Now let me perform a very small change. Let me change this to private controllers. Immediately error is reflected in this. Why? Because now that method is not accessible outside the package. Okay, it is asking visibility to be public. If I'll go with protected, again, the same restriction. See, that is not visible. So that's why it is suggestible to create all the methods of your package as a public. So this is all about the package in Java.